Hi everybody, Kayla here, and I hope you all are having a great day wherever you are. I'm finally filming because I got some alone time. Just a quick little update. I've moved, obviously, and I've moved in with my family, so it's kind of hard for me to get some alone time and find a good setup to do these videos. So that's basically why I've been gone. I would have been recording in my car, but my car I had to get something fixed, and so I couldn't record in my car because I couldn't crank my car up, and it would be so hard to like film in the heat. But anyway, so today I'm gonna bring you my Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, I have opened it. I have peeked inside briefly, like very briefly, but excuse me. I didn't know I was filming this video, otherwise I wouldn't have peeked inside. But anyway, let's get to it. I have the pamphlet right here that I'm going to be looking at to look at prices and stuff. The theme is wildflower. That's pretty. And it has 4 influencers down 5. 5 influencers down here that I did not even know these girls. No, I don't. But anyway, let's get to this unboxing. So the first thing I see that I am excited about, because I don't have a product from this person, is a Laura Geller. Let me get up close. It's a Laura Geller blush. This is a baked blush and brightener, and mine is in the color Tropic Hues. Tropic Hues. I'm having a brain fart. But yeah, so this is Valentina's favorite, the girl who's on the cover. And let's see, do I know who? Valentina Barretod, Barretod is her favorite. Okay, and so this blush retails for $28. I'm glad it's in Boxycharm because I would have not been paying that much for this. It's pretty pink rosy color. It kind of reminds me of a NYX highlighter and B, a Milani blush. So I'm just going to swatch. That's how it looks on the finger, if you can see. And swatched, it's this color right here. It'll show up on me, but it's not my favorite color. It's a little cool tone for my liking, but you know. Anyway, so the next thing that I saw in this box is from Lorac, and it's their Pro Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Aubergine. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And this is Ashley's favorite. Let's see, Ashley. I don't know who Ashley is on here. It's Ashley's favorite. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know who Ashley is. Anyway, Ashley's favorite. I did swatch this. I do like the color. It's something that I have, I feel like, but yeah. So opening this, it looks like this. You can see the color on the outside. This actually retails for $19, which I wouldn't have paid for this either, but there it is. It twists up, and I'm gonna swatch it. That's what it looks like. It looks like the looks like this. I have a crayon like this from Revlon. That's what it looks like. And so that's that. And so next, the big thing that I see next, I already knew by looking at it, because I also knew that this was something that we were expecting. But it is a brush set from Alamar Cosmetics. I believe like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. I don't remember what month. We got that pretty eyeshadow palette by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is by Gabby T. Anyway, or anything, whatever. But she's like Kathleen Light's best friend. Okay, so this brush set is for $18, which isn't bad, and it's 100% synthetic fibers, and it's Jasmine's favorite. So here are the brushes. Looks like you have a crease brush. Okay. Looks like you have a crease or a blending brush. These feel soft. They feel like they're good quality. You have like an eyeshadow brush, and you just like pack the eyeshadow on your lid, and then you have a no, what do they call this? A shader brush. Let me see. A flat brush. It's a flat type liner brush, but a lot of people use them on their eyes. Oh, I'm trying to figure out what to say. A lot of people use them for eyeshadow. So next is by Luscious. It's Angel. Let me see what the name of this brand is. It's by Luscious Cosmetics, and it's called Angel Eyes Primer, and it retails for $14, and it's Ayana's favorite. Let's see, and this is in the shade Nude. So I'm actually gonna see how this looks. I like the packaging; it's so cute. It's little angel wings. It's nude. Let me see. Okay. I put way too much. It's not bad. It's actually, I like this. Can be used well for my skin tone. Not bad. So using that, even though I don't really use eyeshadow primer as much. I have the Milani one, and I haven't used that up yet, and I've had it for a while. Now, probably the most exciting. Oh, we only get 4 items this month. Okay. Okay. No, hold up. Okay, I can't count 5 items. Okay, so the 5th item is, I think, what most people are excited for, and it is an eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar, and this is Amber's fave, and it's $35. So, and it says it's like a Nightingale inspired palette. So when you open it, you get a good little mirror. See my setup? A good little mirror, and then you get this. I have to show it upside down so the mirror won't blind you. But it smells like cosmetics. But you get, let's see, 4, 6, 9, 12. You get 12 shades. So you get like a base shade, some shimmer shades. I feel like this would be really nice for fall. I'm going to swatch a few. Oops, I messed that up. Ooh, that Pillow Talk one is so buttery. Okay, I'm going to swatch Pillow Talk. I'm going to swatch Dark Side. These shadows are so soft. I'm going to swatch Clutch. And I'm going to swatch Swoop. Okay, these are pigmented fairly well. These are, ooh, can you see it? This was not smart. Oh, y'all, you can tell this is my first time doing this in a while because I'm making stupid mistakes. But anyway, so let's do it on my hand. Pillow Talk. That's Pillow Talk. Okay. Let's see. I did Dark Side. There's Dark Side. Even though it looks a little bit lighter than when I first swatched it, yeah. Let's try it again. Dark Side. Okay, so Dark Side. You got 2 parts of that. Okay, then I did Clutch. So we're gonna do that again. It's so pretty. That's Clutch. And then I also did Swoop, which is a chocolate brown. I hate this because my first swatches were bomb, but I was too dumb to know not to put it, not to put it where I did. Okay, so that's Swoop. You know what, I'm just gonna get up and show you all the swatches I actually did at first. Okay, these right here, it looks a lot better than what I did on my arm. So that's Pillow Talk, I think, Clutch, Swoop. No, that's Swoop, and I don't remember this shade, but I think I did pretty good to memorize like I did. So yeah, so that's this, and like I said, this retails for $35. So out of all this stuff, let's see, this Boxycharm This month was okay. I mean, I wasn't like blown away like I have been there like last month or two, but it was okay. Excuse me. Out of all of them, I'm really excited for this Pretty Vulgar palette. Pretty Vulgar palette. Oh, I'm just doing so terribly. You can tell I haven't done this in a while. So that's the thing I'm most excited about. And I would have to say the thing I'm least excited about would have to be this eyeshadow primer, because I really don't use eyeshadow primers like that. I'm so excited about the Alamar Cosmetics. I think this is a brand that I would support, because I do like that it's like inspired by someone who's from Cuba, and with their first palette you could see the Cuba inspiration, and I really did like that. But yeah, that's it for today. That's my video for today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and I'll try to come back and make some videos as soon as possible, depending on when I can actually upload them. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.